Good morning, traders, and this is your Aussie day trade setup for today. So, yeah, what a volatile day yesterday was. I think the key thing at the moment is this inside bar here from the daily, which we closed just above it, was playing havoc with price yesterday. And I'm just going to put this next inside bar, which is right there. And you can see we've kind of formed a double top here, and we'll look at that on the lower time frames. But the flag that we had did not play out. The closing range strategy didn't really play out either. And the 3 hour, the trend is still very much the downside, but with a lot of indecision that's coming in this week. And if we look at, and there's a lot of political uncertainty happening in South Africa, which is also driving it. But let's just start with our flag break here. I'm just going to extend this far down. Okay, so that was our channel. We're looking for a break, and we're looking for a measured move back up the upside. Well, as you can see, we got the break, but then we got the break back down to the bottom of the channel, then up above the channel, and then just ran down with the channel. So a lot of indecision here. Nothing really that's standing out for me at the moment. It is also non-farm payrolls today. So I expect a bit of volatility this morning, quickly, and then we'll just go sideways until non-farm payrolls. So I'm not trading today. I've got other things to do, and not going to be around a computer later this afternoon when non-farm payrolls comes out. So we'll just give it a skip. So if we look at the 30-minute here, you can see there's nothing really that's standing out. We've got lows below the alligator. We're back above the alligator. We're rejecting levels. We're really going sideways, and this is a lot of volatility at the moment. So there's nothing that really stands out, and I'm reluctant to look at any of the breakout strategies at the moment. So for me, the Aussie, if I look at what happened yesterday, I mean, look at this mess. There's no direction. So the only real direction was this gradual slide in the afternoon, but at US Open, we rally and fall again. So for me, this market is not offering anything concrete at the moment. And let's just look at the Ichimoku now. When it doesn't offer concrete opportunities to get in, it's normally a case of consolidation or the calm before the actual storm. So this sideways motion, it could still be consolidating for a break the upside, or it could be rounding for a break the downside. One thing's for sure is we are ranging. Okay, and you can see even the 12 minutes, Keegan's flat, cloud flat, everything's flat. We're ranging. Okay, it's a bearish range. If we look at the 30 minutes, we've got a crossover. Okay, but we are got a green cloud. So bearish, bearish, bullish, mixed signals. I want all three signals the same. If we look at the hour, bullish, bullish, bearish. But look at the sides of the cloud. There's a lot of resistance to the upside. So this, if you look at the hour, you've got 2 out of 3. You're just waiting for the cloud to cross over. So with the size of the cloud, you're probably going to expect more sideways motion, or even a bit of a pullback to the bottom of this. Bottom is probably going to turn out to be a range somewhere along the line, but come pick up this bottom here, which will be, let's put a level in so we can see it. Get there eventually. Right, so very welcome to test the bottom here, 48,344. But then that would give me a bearish cross on Keegan and Teganson, and that would be pretty bearish. Okay, so the 4 hour trend is down. We should be looking for shorts. And then the daily trend is also down, but flat, which is telling me look for a range. Okay, and I just want to go as far as the weekly here, because the weekly is bearish. We're back below the cloud as well. So this weekly bar closes below the cloud. I think you're going to have a pretty strong weekly bearish trend that's forming. And we also do have this break of this trend line here on the weekly currently. Okay, so the other trend line that's here on the weekly, which is what we were buying off earlier in the week, is around there. So you can see this level here is a weekly swing low, and it's been touched a couple of times. So this is the line in the sand for us right now, 48,344. We close below that this week, then I think you can expect, you've got a double top here. I think you can actually expect that double top to possibly play out. Okay, but anyway, for me today, it's sit on hands. Don't have time for trading at the moment. If you are going to trade this, please be very cautious in the morning and the afternoon. Bear in mind that you have non-farm payrolls, which could either make you a pretty wealthy individual for the day or a pretty poor individual for the day. So be very, very cautious. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch you in the new week. Cheers for now.